Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. So today we are here, y'all, because I have a very fun little video planned today. We're going to do some unboxing of some MiniVerse products. So I have three of the Diner Series 3 from MiniVerse that we're going to be unboxing today. Y'all, I have already took all of the plastic off of these because y'all know it is a battle to get that off. But I promise y'all, I did not peek. I couldn't, because as soon as I got all the plastic off, the family came and got me for some other stuff we need to take care of. So we're going to get started here. So I'm going to pause, get my setup ready, and we're going to start unboxing. All right, y'all, we are back. So the family is outside doing some work on the house outside. So I kind of got chastised by my youngest because I wasn't out there with him. But I told him I had stuff to do. But anyway, all right, y'all, let's get started. So again, this is the Make It Mini Food Diner Series 3. So there, again, I've already taken this part off, y'all, but I have not peeked. So we have 3 to unbox. I'm super excited. And we have my beautiful Miss Elphaba over here to assist us. And we are also, of course, using our new curated dollhouse table that hubby made to do this because I think it's going to be great with setting everything up. So, y'all, I'm going to just put these down here. Yeah, that'll work. And then let's get started. So we're going to start with this one. Okay, let me get all of these out. Okay, quite a few things in there. Okay, so here's the collector's guide. So we have cupcakes, cake, crepes a la mode, the princess roll cake. We have a salad. We have Jello cups. We have ribs. I want those ribs. We have a cherry jelly. They have the bento box. I would love to have it. They have the cheesy taco. They also have the veggie burger. And then they have the sushi. So, y'all, to tell the truth, I already know that we have this sushi right here, I think, because of this. Yeah. So we already know that we have this sushi, which I'm actually super excited about. But we're going to go ahead and finish unboxing the rest of it because I'm glad. I do love when they have a cheat in them, y'all. I really do. But I'm also glad that I got something savory because y'all know how I am about this savory stuff in the dollhouse because I already have so many sweets. So here's our rice vinegar and the nozzle. Next we have, oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. The little, I guess the little rice palette smusher thing. I have no clue what that is, y'all, but that's cute. Okay. And then this will be, of course, the utensils. So we have the same thing that we normally get. And then we also have some really nice black chopsticks right here. I think that's cute. And then the tweezers and the topper. In this next one, y'all, they coming in from outside. They upset I'm doing my video instead of being out there helping. But we have our little veggies that go on the inside of the sushi roll. And y'all know that's the 21-year-old. That's the oldest.
20.
That is right. He is not 21 just yet. He will turn 21 in February, but we are super close. I'm sorry, y'all. We had to turn this one into a voiceover because we were having technical difficulties. But in the next bag, we got the rice for the sushi rolls. And then in this last bag, y'all, I had already slightly opened before I realized we were having the technical issues. But in this one, we wound up getting the actual sushi plate and the seaweed wraps. So this was cute, y'all. I really did like this ball. All of the little utensil stuff that came in there was super cute. You got the sushi display plate. We got the little rice bowl and the little rice press. And then we also wound up getting the mixed vegetables and the chopsticks in this one. So yeah, it turned out to be super cute. I really enjoyed this one. So now that we have that one done, we are going to move on to our next ball that we have. So y'all, I wound up getting these 3 balls at my local Dollar General. They actually have some of the mini brand Create, the MiniVerse Cafe, and Diner series showing up in my local Dollar General. They run anywhere from $7 to $10 depending, but I was like, that's right in line with everything else. Okay, y'all, so the first thing we're opening is our utensils. So we got a spoon, the topper, and the tweezers to go with this one. So the spoon was super cute. It's a really good size. And then next up, we're going to go to this bag. So in this bag, we got a blue cake plate. So I thought this was super cute and matches some of the other ones that I have in the Dollhouse from the MiniVerse already. Next up in the next bag, we got whipped cream. So we definitely got something sweet in this one. So we got our whipped cream. Moving on to the next bag. Let's see what's in this one. And we wound up getting the jelly cake mold. So I actually have a jelly cake mold already from the other series, but this is a double-decker one, y'all. And it comes with the red little jelly resin. So I actually really like that. So I'm excited to make that one. And yes, I will be making it because I think the other one that I bought that has the little jelly stuff in it is super fun. And I really enjoyed that one. I actually wound up making a couple of them because I had some spare, or not spare, but I had a little bit of resin left over to be able to make more than one. So for this last ball, y'all, we're starting again with the utensils. And in this one, we got the tweezers, the topper, and of course a fork. And then we are going to be moving on to our next bag. So the next bag, let's see, which one are we going to pick? We're going to go with this one. And in this one, we wound up getting Neapolitan ice cream. So I really love the ice cream that comes with these sets, y'all. It is nice to have in my Dollhouse now. So in our next bag for this one, we got the berry glaze to go over the ice cream. And then next up, we're going to this new bag, and we got white chocolate chips. So that was a cute addition. I have some of the chocolate chips already, but I'm not going to lie, I've kind of run out with making these, so it's good to have another one. We got a plate. And in this last bag, y'all, we got the crepes. So for this last ball, we got the crepes a la mode, where we're going to be making it with ice cream. So I like that one. The second ball that we got, we did the jelly cake. And then in the first ball, we got the sushi. So here's another look at all of the items we got, y'all. I am super excited about this. I love all of the items, but I must say my absolute favorite is the sushi capsule. All of those little items are just wonderful. Okay, everybody, since we had technical difficulties with the actual unboxing portion, I decided I was going to do a make of one of these to finish off the video. So we are going to do the cherry jelly cake. So it comes with whipped cream. You get a couple of dollops of whipped cream in here. We have our jelly resin. And we have our silicone mold. I love that they are including molds in some of these, y'all, so I can continue to make them with the extras that I have. We also got a big old spoon, and we got our cake plate. So to start, y'all, I am going to open up my resin. I also, y'all, got me a new UV light. My other one did finally die on me, but that's okay. So we will be using my new UV light today to do the curing on this. So we are going to just start out by pouring our resin into our mold. I am squeezing a little bit, y'all, just a little bit at a time, because I don't want a big old splotch to come out and mess up my entire little placement that I have here. So I'm trying to be super gentle. I also love that this one is a 2-layer. In the last series, when they came out with the jelly cake, I did get it. and I loved it. I think it was the very first one that I got that had a mold. And y'all, I made 3 or 4 little cakes from that mold because I was so excited to have the mold so that I could keep making them over and over again. And oh, we are going to have enough resin. That is awesome. So I am going to stop right there. Hopefully I will have enough left in here, maybe to make me, probably not another full one, but at least maybe a little halfy. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way so I can get my UV light up here. I do have a few little bubbles, so I'm just gonna tap, 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 see if I can get everything to loosen up and settle in. And then the couple of bubbles that I do have, y'all, I'm gonna get me a little toothpick or something and pop those that are right on top. So yeah, we will use the tweezers. And I'm just gonna go in and just quickly pop those few little bubbles that I have. Some of them are not wanting to pop, but they're super small, so that's okay. All right, so I'm going to put this over here. And then we are going to use, again, y'all, my new UV light. I'm so happy that I got me a new UV light. And I'm going to do this one for 80 seconds. So I'm going to pause, and we will be back once it is done. Okay, we are back, y'all. So this has been hardened. So the bottom kind of looks a little rough, but I'm not too worried about that. So we're going to get this out of our silicone mold. Nice and easy. There you go. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, where's my cake plate? There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna put that on top of the cake plate for right now. And then, y'all, I am going to test this whipped cream to see if it will fit on top of here. And that will. Okay, so I'm actually not going to do the resin to keep that together because I have different whipped creams from the MiniVerse that I may want to use ever so often. But I think that is cute that it will sit on top of there just fine. But yeah, there you go, y'all. So I'm sorry we had the technical difficulties doing the unboxing, but I figured doing a quick little make on one of these would be fun. And I'm glad I chose this one because I really do like these little jelly cakes. I think they're so cute. And then this one, I feel like the one I had before had a little more squish to it than this one does, but oh well, I think it turned out absolutely adorable. So thank y'all for visiting the Curated Dollhouse and going on this unboxing and unexpected make process video with me. We will be back another day in another video. Bye, y'all.